Ever been stuck with a dead car, turning the key and hearing nothing but a sad click? Most people blame the battery and rush to replace it, only to get stranded again. The real culprit? Often it's your alternator, the heart of your car's electrical system. Your battery just starts the car. The alternator powers everything once you're running and keeps the battery charged. If the alternator's weak, your battery drains until you're stranded. Today, I'll show you 7 clear signs your alternator is failing, so you can fix it before you're stuck on the roadside. Stick around for a quick trick to tell if it's your battery or alternator causing the trouble. No fancy tools, no guesswork, just a simple answer. So grab a coffee and let's get started. Don't let a bad alternator ruin your day. Rev up your engines. First up, headlights that flicker or dim, especially when you're idling. If your lights brighten when you rev the engine and dim at a stop, your alternator is struggling. It's supposed to provide steady power, but a failing one gives you voltage swings, causing that disco effect. Watch your dashboard and interior lights too. If they pulse or dim together, your electrical system is in trouble. Don't blame old bulbs. Those just burn out, not flicker with engine speed. The real issue is often a failing voltage regulator inside the alternator. Try this. Turn on your high beams, AC, and rear defroster. If your headlights dim even more, your alternator can't handle the load. A healthy alternator powers everything without breaking a sweat. If yours can't, it's waving a big red flag. Don't ignore these signs. Fix it before you're left in the dark. Pay attention to your car's light show. It's your first warning. Don't just turn up the radio and hope for the best. This is a simple stress test you can do yourself. Don't wait for total darkness to take action. That red battery light on your dash, it's not just about the battery. It means your charging system, usually the alternator, isn't keeping up. The car's computer turns it on when voltage drops too low. Replacing the battery won't help if the alternator isn't charging it. Sometimes the light flickers or comes on and off. Don't ignore it. Get your alternator tested at an auto parts store. Most do it for free. Modern cars need stable voltage for all their electronics. That light is a serious warning, not just a suggestion. Don't waste money on a new battery if the alternator is the real problem. Heed the warning and check your charging system. Fix it before you're stranded. Power windows crawling, weak AC, radio cutting out. These are all signs of a weak alternator. All your car's accessories run on electricity from the alternator when the engine's on. If it's failing, the car's computer prioritizes essentials, leaving little power for comfort features. That's why windows move slowly and fans blow weakly. Don't blame the window motor or AC right away. If multiple electronics are acting up, suspect the alternator. It's like a city in a brownout. Everything slows down. If your phone charges slowly in the car or your GPS glitches, it's all connected. Don't chase symptoms. Fix the root cause. Multiple electrical issues at once? The alternator is likely the culprit. Pay attention to these clues. Don't assume everything's wearing out at once. One failing alternator can cause all these problems. Listen up. Strange noises from under the hood can mean alternator trouble. Grinding sounds? That's likely worn out bearings inside the alternator. A high-pitched whine that changes with engine speed could be a failing voltage regulator or bad diodes. Squealing when you start the car or use accessories. The serpentine belt might be slipping on a seizing alternator pulley. Replace the belt and the noise comes back? The alternator's the problem. Don't ignore these sounds. A failing alternator can seize up, shred your belt, and leave you without power steering or a water pump. Grinding, whining, or squealing, these are all urgent warnings. Your car is telling you something's wrong. Don't wait for a breakdown. Address these noises before they turn into a bigger, more expensive problem. A noisy alternator is a ticking time bomb. Get it checked out right away. Save yourself from a roadside disaster. Is your car stalling or cranking slowly when you try to start it? Don't just blame the battery, ask why it's weak. If the alternator isn't recharging it, even a new battery will die fast. Modern cars need steady voltage for fuel injectors, spark plugs, and the computer. A failing alternator means low voltage, causing misfires, rough running, and stalling, especially at idle. Hard starting? If your alternator didn't recharge the battery last time, you'll get a slow crank or just a click. This cycle gets worse every day until the car won't start at all. Don't keep jump starting and hoping for the best. Fix the source, the alternator. A healthy car starts briskly every time. Slow cranking is a cry for help from your electrical system. Don't ignore it. Address the real problem before you're stranded. Smell something burning under the hood? Don't ignore it. Burning rubber usually means the serpentine belt is slipping on a failing alternator pulley. If the alternator's bearings are seizing, the belt overheats and can snap, leaving you without power steering, water pump, or charging. Burning electrical or plastic smell? That's the alternator's internal wiring overheating, potentially melting insulation and risking an electrical fire. This is a catastrophic failure in progress. If you smell either, stop and check immediately. Don't risk engine damage or fire. Your nose is a powerful diagnostic tool. Burning smells are never normal. In the context of other symptoms, it's a clear sign your alternator is toast. Replace it before it causes more damage. Don't wait for disaster. The most common mistake? Replacing a battery that keeps dying when the real problem is the alternator. You jump start, drive, and it's fine, then dead again the next day. A new battery works for a week, then dies too. The alternator isn't charging the battery, so every drive drains it further. Jump starting or charging the battery is just a temporary fix. A new battery only masks the problem for a few days. If you're replacing batteries every year or your new one dies quickly, it's not the battery, it's the alternator. This is the most misdiagnosed car problem. Don't waste money chasing batteries. Get your charging system tested. A dead battery is a symptom, not the disease. Fix the alternator and break the cycle. Save yourself money and frustration. So those are the 7 signs of a failing alternator. If you notice even one, be alert. 2 or more? Get your alternator tested now. It's cheaper to fix it at home than to pay for a tow. Here's the quick test. Jumpstart your car, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. If the engine dies, your alternator is bad. If it keeps running, your battery is likely the issue. Be careful with this on newer cars. Voltage spikes can cause problems. I hope this saves you a headache down the road. Car repair isn't a mystery if you know what to look for. Like, subscribe, and check the description for my favorite tools. Now get out there and fix your car.